These ghosts do not pretend to understand who help us out whenever they can. These ghosts are the friends that do understand who help us out whenever they can. They're asking why that name, what the fuck does it mean? Interpret whatever you want, and don't judge what you don't understand. Bullshit, we're waiting for ages, liberation, complicit or jaded. This is our signature, this is our life. This is our nature, this is our life. This is our signature, this is our life. We live what we can, we live what we can. We belong to a fucked up generation. Our future is stolen out from under us. Red or dead, turning the page is just easier. Throw the book away.
Tombolo imamo še.
Kamo, najprej Ruzak, Ruzak the kind, 648, evo kaša Petruzak, evo dajte daj, 665, evo, ti si majko, Prisnik, bravo, hvala Petan za tale longboard. To vidiš pa. Zdaj furat, pejte pit, pejte ga razpakat, pejte se dobro, to je to.